Adams Polish's Graphene CS3 is a simple spray and wipe product that can clean, shine, and protect all in one bottle. It contains high lubricity agents, allowing your towel to glide along the surface, reducing the chance of scratching. Graphene CS3 also has shine agents similar to our detail spray, which everybody loves. So after you've wiped it off, it leaves a nice high gloss on your finish. What it also has is protection agents, okay? The original CS3 had silica, and what Chris, our chemist, did is he took the reduced graphene oxide and he paired it with the silica, giving it a stronger backbone and a longer lasting protection on your car. Graphene CS3 is an ideal maintenance product for a graphene ceramic coated vehicle or a regular ceramic coated vehicle, but it also works amazing on a non-ceramic coated vehicle. Now, you're probably gonna ask, what is the difference between Graphene CS3 and Graphene Detail Spray? Well, Graphene Detail Spray is more for a car that is less dirty than something like this car that has a lot of dirt and grime on it, okay? The lubricating agents in the Graphene CS3 are gonna help pull that dirt off safely without scratching. All right, let me show you how to use the Graphene CS3. All right, so Graphene CS3 is as simple as spraying it on the car and wiping it off. Kind of, okay? There are some techniques, including which towel you should use for different application methods. So if you're trying to remove a lot of dirt and grime, something like a waterless wash towel with the waffle weave is gonna be a lot more effective at taking dirt off of the car. Now, using a borderless gray towel that's more of a plush towel is gonna finish a little bit better and really keep that shine when you're using Graphene CS3. So what I like to do is I like to have both towels with me when I'm using Graphene CS3. And what I like to do is just give a little bit of spray on here. And I'm gonna use the waterless wash towel to really remove the dirt and grime first. And while I'm using this, I'm turning my hand, kind of rolling my hand to really get the dirt off of the car. And as this gets saturated with dirt, I flip the towel over and I continue wiping and rolling, okay? And what I'm not overly concerned with is if this is streaky or if this is leaving any Graphene CS3 residue behind, because what I can do after this, so let me just get a little bit more of this dirt off. What I can do after this is then I can do a couple more mists of Graphene CS3 and really even it out with the borderless gray towel. So using the borderless gray towel, do just a little bit of a mist on here. And now I can really buff this away with the borderless gray towel. And this will really finish the painted surface perfect, leaving it looking amazing and also protected now because it has the graphene protection on there. Graphene CS3 is a really great maintenance product for the Graphene ceramic line. And one of the best things about it, you can use it on all exterior surfaces. So you can use it on your glass, you can use it on your plastic. Now, whether your car is Graphene ceramic coated, regular ceramic coated, or it's not ceramic coated at all, Graphene CS3 is going to clean, shine, and protect all in one bottle.